Hello guys, it's La Rosa La Hair. Let's check out this Simpout Batana Oil. I am 6 months post baby and I've had a massive hair loss, postpartum hair loss. Click the subscribe button, let's get started. Ooh, you still there? Please click the subscribe button. For reals this time. Hello everyone, it's La Rosa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying out this Simpout Batana oil. I've never had any. I don't have any special routine. My hair is natural hair. It's actually, this is 2024, so 4.5 years old since I went bald. And I always try to trim it every time. But I know I'm doing a damn wrong job. I know I'm doing a bad, terrible job at trimming. Okay, so the company sent me, the brand Simpout, they sent me to make an honest review of this oil. Now I made a whole lot of research before I rub anything on my hair, on my body, you know. Okay, so let's see what it actually says. Batana oil, Honduran Miracle Oil, 100% pure and natural for stronger, smooth, healthy hair. That's nice. So it says here that it promotes hair growth, that is rich in oleic acid, which can penetrate the hair shaft and stimulate hair growth. And can also strengthen the hair follicles and prevent hair breakage. That's nice. It repairs damaged hair. It promotes scalp health. The tip, it says, since everyone's skin or hair conditions are different, it is recommended that to do a patch test before using it for the first time. You know, it says to do a skin patch test on first time use, for external, use only. Keep out of reach of children. Ingredient is pure Batana oil, Elais, oleifera, kernel oil. Now, what Batana oil actually is, that's the part I had to read. Batana oil, also known as Honduran oil, it's an oil extract from palm tree that grows in Honduras. Even Nigeria, man. Even Nigeria, it grows in Nigeria. It's actually palm. I didn't know this time. I would have been. But it's some palm oil. I even have palm oil downstairs. But anyway, excuse that joke, that terrible joke. Traditionally used as a skin and hair treatment in Honduras or Central America, it has been referred to as miracle oil. Okay, we'll see about that. They say the smell of the oil is a bit like smoky coffee. Oh, I hate coffee with everything in me. I literally can't stand the smell of coffee. Anyway, use our Batana oil for scalp massage, hair marks, split ends treatment, which might apply to me, and as a hairstyling aid. Okay, direction, it says to apply drops to the scalp, okay, and massage thoroughly. Leave Batana oil for 30 minutes to 2 hours, then wash your hair. Make sure you wash your hair, guys, because I know how many people like, I want this to work and then they forget to wash their hair. Leave it. In my case, I'll be doing for 30 minutes in this video. Then wash your hair with water and shampoo. It's recommended to use 2 to 3 times weekly for result. Not in our case. If you're wearing a wig, how are you gonna do that? So, but in my case, I try to do at least 2 times. So it says 100% natural, cruelty free, and paraben free, phthalate free, sulfate free. Okay, let's see. It's actually burnt. Let's open it up. What do you think? It looks really nice. That is what it actually looks like. Encourages hair growth, repairs damage, nourish scalp, and all that stuff. The same thing it says. Now I'm gonna do a skin test. I'll probably do it on my inner skin. I don't know how to do any skin test. A skin patch test. See if you are allergic to it. So while that is going on, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking down my braids. Normally what I would have loved to do is apply it in here, massage it. I feel like this, it's going to really massage, but let's do it the normal way. As if there is a normal way. Every single time for the past 2 years, I've been saying I'm going to check what's my hair type, the porosity, but I feel like it's a high porosity because it absorbs water quickly. But you know, we don't know, or maybe medium, I'm not so sure. So I'm going to finish taking my hair down, and please subscribe if you haven't at this point. I will appreciate that. See, it's already breaking up. My hair is 4C hair, so you feel me. The shrink rate is second to none. So something in me just wants, before my hair gets, you know, before I finish taking them all out, all down, taking down the braids, I feel like just opening it and, you know, start applying it. That's what I feel like doing. That way I can get it. After all, it says between 30 minutes to, you know, to 2 hours. So even if some places get in there for 30 minutes, some places are like 40 minutes, this is like 50 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever it is, you know, an hour. I feel like I should do that. And while I was, you know, checking to see if I'm reacting to it, which I'm not. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna take down the whole braid and then do it section by section at least. 4C hair. My hair is a little dry, but Afro queen, cause I'm your African queen. I am your African queen. Okay, so I'm 6 months post baby, and my hair loss, postpartum hair loss, is going to grow back. I don't do anything particular to my hair. I just wash it off and be on my way. I don't have time for the extra stuff. I have 4 kids, so no time. 19-month-old and a 6-month-old, no time for extra stuff. I should probably have applied it while I had it had the braid on, but it's okay. This is my first time actually doing anything like this on my hair. Even the rosemary oil that I have, I just while I had the braid on, I put it and then I go wash my hair once in 2 months because I never remember that thing. So there are ways you can apply this. If you want, you can take, you know, the drop and drop on your scalp. And then massage it all the way. I didn't have any reaction. So or I can put it on my fingers. And massage it all the way. And I work my way to my tip, to the tip of my hair, from the roots to the tip. It says to massage thoroughly, not roughly, but thoroughly. So, So I'll continue to work my way all through, and I'll see you in a bit. So I'm done, but I'm just gonna do this. I'm probably wasting it away, just so that I applied, you know, I applied also on my hair itself, even though it says just massage. See how my hair is still breaking. And in 3 months time, yeah, it does smell like a burnt coffee. And I hate coffee, but this one is not as bad as I was thinking. So probably in 2 to 3 months I'll try to adhere to this routine, and then in 2 to 3 months I'll come back with an update. As of now, this is where it is. So I'm probably overusing it. And this is a 2-ounce one. I may be applying this wrong, but you guys correct me in the comment section, please. One day I'll do it better. This head massage was much needed. So at this time it's actually 10 o'clock p.m. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit until 10:30, and then I'll come wash it off. I'll go wash it off, wash my hair off, and of course it's gonna shrink as usual. These are all the hair that shedded from my hair. Imagine. Or all the hairs that shedded. Miracle oil. Please do some miracle on my hair. Please. Please. You guys, please check them out on Amazon. This is them. And it's exactly 10 o'clock p.m. It's $15 on Amazon. So please patronize them. Make sure you grab yours. You're gonna like it. If it works, I'll let you know. But it's very easy to apply. And that's what a palm kernel looks like. And I have that in my compound in the village in Nigeria. In Nigeria, in Africa. Because I'm an African queen. Remember what I said about shrinkage? Shrinkage is my unwanted best friend. Shrinkage is my frenemy. As someone with natural hair, 4C hair. So I really love this texture. It's a little softer. Look at my hair. And a little shinier. Is that white hair? Am I growing wiser? I don't know. Yeah, it's definitely white. White strand. Oh, I got my first silver at 32. Anyway. So that's what my hair turned out to be. That's what it turned out to be. Now, it's 11 midnight. I wanted to braid it, but then I have to go to work at 7 a.m. So, normally I'll braid it. I have a whole hair video where I braid. So, you guys check those out. But look at my scalp. Instead of braiding, I'm just gonna, dry it up and just put it up in a ponytail and see how that works. Love it. Before that, the thing with my hair is that if I braid it, I'm not gonna use this oil. I braid it and I keep my braids in for like 2 weeks. Unless the braid is getting a little old, then I can use the oil. If not, then I can wash it. Like, I already thought of putting the oil on my braided hair and then, wash it off. But I know I'm not gonna do that. So I wanna check it out, leave my hair out like that for like a week. So that way I can remember to use the oil. I know it's 11 midnight, but I'm just gonna style it a little bit. And then, take it off. For the sake of the video, I'll just style it and then remove it. So sometimes I blow dry my hair with low heat. And sometimes I don't. I just let it air dry. Like now, I haven't even done anything. And it's so soft to comb. Have you ever seen a 4C natural hair? So soft to comb. I'm not even using the detangling comb. I used it a little bit and then I stopped. 4C natural hair. But the hair is breaking though. Yep. Definitely breaking. is the edge control I normally use. I use the rosemary mint, and that's the shampoo I use. And supposedly the air conditioner, but I never apply air conditioner. Hair conditioner. Hair conditioner, that's funny. I never applied the hair conditioner. I don't have time. Okay, everybody, it is 11:30 p.m. so I'm taking this right back off. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, you guys. Check this out. I will see if it made any difference in the next few months, probably 2 to 3 months. Check them out, guys. Thank you so much for being patient. Sorry for the long video, but how does it look? I'm not perfect. I don't know how to do my edges. I'm a newcomer like some of you and all that stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna go to work like this. It's better. As a nurse, we're supposed to even have it up here. So tell me what you think. Ask your questions. I'll ask the company. And remember how I told you that I have to go to work the next day at 7 o'clock? I ended up sleeping yesterday at 1 a.m. and 6 a.m. I was already up. So look at that. 6 o'clock a.m. 6 is actually 6:23 a.m. And before I rush out to work, I wanted to quickly point out that in addition to protecting, your hair and, promoting hair growth, this actually helps, this Batana oil actually helps to, nourish your skin. So if you apply it on your hands and feet during the winter, it may help prevent chapped skin. So with me, I actually applied it. That was the lotion. I used it as a lotion like this morning. It is summer. I probably shouldn't go around smelling like, what do you call it? Smelling like burnt coffee. Hopefully nobody will notice. So I wanted to try it. Hopefully nobody at work will notice. But I used it all over except my face. So that is what it looks like on my skin. Just in case you're wondering, before you ask, this is the hair or the ponytail, drawstring ponytail that I'm putting on. Okay guys, please like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you can be notified when I share any video. Comment, ask your question, share this video so that other people can, get helpful information. Anything, anything is better than nothing. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. #natural. Slay nurse over and out.